What is distressed real estate? Distressed real estate refers to neglected homes by their current homeowner. These properties typically have tons of deferred maintenance, and they are typically in poor or junky condition. Some of these properties are at risk of falling into foreclosure due to mortgage payment default or unpaid taxes and liens. The bottom line is that distressed real estate is not financeable through your conventional lender. The condition of these homes is deemed too risky to lend on by your conventional lender. So now you're in the market for distressed real estate. What are some things that you should look for? Well, rule number 1 is the junkier the better. A good rule of thumb is the junkier a property, the lower the purchase price for that particular property, and therefore the higher the potential profit margin. Let's say you're considering 2 projects for rehab. You have your really junky, dirty property here. And then over here, you have your property that just has some dated finishes. Well, guess what? It may surprise you that your rehab costs for both of these projects may be closer than you think, but your major fixer is going to cost you a lot less. Rule number 2, drive further out. Most investors are lazy. They are not willing to commute to make money. Therefore, properties outside of the core are typically cheaper. Rule number 3, buy at the right price. Only our most experienced investors know that they make money on the buy and not the sell. That means that your purchase price is the main factor to determine your profit later on, which means be careful not to pay too much. Rule number 4, exhaust multiple channels. When looking for distressed real estate, there are plenty of channels to choose from, both on and off market. Even in our low record inventory, there are still plenty of opportunities on the open market. You just need to find them. Some of these opportunities are listed on the MLS by homeowners with the help of their realtors. Others are listed by banks as REOs. In terms of off-market inventory and wholesale, Eastside Funding has cultivated exclusive connections with wholesalers over time to get you access to these deals. Another great channel is to purchase through foreclosure auction. Vestis, the sister company of Eastside Funding, can help you successfully purchase a property at foreclosure auction. Do you know what you can handle? Make sure if you're picking up a major fixer, you don't bite off more than you can chew. You have to complete the project. Make sure you line up your contractors so they can start work right away and work through your project efficiently. The real estate market can change drastically in a year, so make sure you always keep those timelines short. If you have any further questions about distressed real estate, please feel free to reach out to us.